What up? What up? Waiting. Lunch was pretty good. I was hanging out. I was in the Discord. If you were looking. I was definitely in the Discord. Hanging. Taking some trades, passing an account. Chilling. Oh man. Yo. Oh man. Yo. Hey, if you could trade like that, keep it rolling. You know? All right. This is getting all my stuff set up. Dude, we're just trending down here. Did they really? I did not get my account reset. Yeah. I didn't get my account reset. Dell, I sent you something on Discord. I just want to make sure you got it. Dude, that's crazy that they're not doing anything. How are they not doing anything? I don't understand how they're not going to do something. What? Flip. I was testing out a bunch of orb stuff and whatnot. They have your money. They're saying you were warned. I wasn't fucking warned. By the way, I was backtesting that freaking orb shit CT. I sent you a DM what you were asking me about gold. I know you were asking about gold overnight. I think I'm out on gold, but I sent you what I got in Discord. Currently trying to build this indicator with ChatGPT. Dude, on what? You're trying to build it on what? Pine script? Flip? On Pine script? What are you trying to make it do? Yo, what up, DBT? Andy says he has a ton of free trading view indicators if you're interested. He said, "Don't reinvent the wheel." I would just use one that's made already, personally. What are you trying to make it do? What's like the outcome? Oh, just messing around. Yo, what was crazy was I got in short. I got stopped out here right after the stream. I just missed it. Otherwise, I'd be in. Every one I loaded had errors and spent hours having it rewritten. Dude, I basically was right there. I got fucking stopped. I got stopped 10 points away from high of day. I assumed we were going to drop end of day just due to the war shit. And we're kind of doing it now. I mean, this is VWAP right here. No. I will play a bounce right here. This is risque. This is super risky. Risky McRiskerson. Yeah. I'm just trying to reorganize my fucking screens here. How was lunch? Lunch was all right. Lunch was all right. You see it? You see that gold shit I sent you on Discord or no? Oh man. Iran just hit Israel with missiles. Damn. Dude, just scoop me up and bounce a little bit. See, now I'm kind of worried because we're kind of playing around. I would have wanted to get filled already and then bounce, but I'm just going to exit. Did they hit anything of significance? Like, what did they hit? Oh, look, I moved my order. That's $200 fucking right there. Sure. Anytime, Dale. They were detected. I haven't seen anything about getting hit. I got Yahoo. Dude, it's crazy. Yeah. Israel strikes. Yeah, Iran launches missiles towards Israel. Dude, it's crazy. Basically, they struck the heart of the country's nuclear program, killing several nuclear scientists, as well as the high-ranking military leaders. Iran shot drones. Israel shot them all down. The U.S. did not provide any assistance or any involvement in the Israel strike. Dude. Yo, we have a couple people from Israel in this chat. What's going on over there? I know there's a couple people from Israel that are in here. Like I think Nizam, who hangs out in here. What's the anybody over there that's close by that knows what's going on? Dude, that's wild. U.S. Embassy in Israel says there's no plans to evacuate Americans. Dude, it's crazy. Israel says the attack may last for days or several weeks. Delta just canceled all flights from JFK to Tel Aviv through August. Woo! That's a lot. Dude, this is crazy. Well, yeah, it could get ugly, but they were doing shit prior. I don't know. It's going to get crazy. Dude, I got to hold on one second. I'm trying to clean up all this I was trying to clean up all this extra stuff I got on my screen. What? Kevin, you just passed your first My Funded Futures 50K in that short? Got to give you the clap. Give another push. Give another push. Push it. Yep, 3 minis, and I was down 1,200 from daily loss, so I made. Oh, well, there you go. Listen, I don't know if they're gonna bounce this or what. Doesn't look great. That's a round trip right there. They might bounce it right here. You might get a bounce. This would, if you were, this would be the spot. This would be the B spot, the bounce spot. This would be it right here, though. Let's see what happens. Yo, what is YM just selling off? I'm just looking. I'm just kind of looking at my own shit real quick. I'm readjusting is what I'm doing. Say the 13th. I'm just rolling. I'm rolling some freaking positions that I have, some options positions out. Man, this is crazy. Dude, are you watching it live? What channel are you watching it on? I'll be honest with you, you just got a sweep. I'd be kind of looking for a bounce here. I'd be looking for a bounce. I'd want to see a fair value gap inversion maybe right here. You just got to sweep, and maybe we come back up. Dow's down 860. Jeez. I'm watching. This is where you would want the bounce. I didn't sell any puts in there. DD Cypress 1 click. What is that, Jay? I don't know what that is. Come on, I want to see it get over here. I want to see it get over the 9. Pump it, baby. Live on YouTube, you could see the attack. Yeah. I mean, honestly, it sucks. I read about it. I don't want to see people fucking getting blown up. I'm good. I bet you the air raid sirens are going off. I mean, think about it. You think they're not just gonna stand there and let it happen. Everything's cool till it's not. Ain't that true? The big question is, how far down does that market go? Like, does that market plummet for like 3 or 4 days? Like, what do you think we're going to do? I honestly don't think this really hurts any company earnings or anything like that. They said Iran might have been months away from having a nuke. Yeah, I mean, I would just say, I don't know, revenues, profits. I don't think this really hurts companies in that regard. So, like us selling off, I would probably look to buy companies that have nothing to do with this. Where's the confidence? What do you mean? Like I'm talking like companies like Robinhood, Google, like companies have not, like, it doesn't matter if Iran and Israel go to this thing that's going on. Like, Amazon's gonna still make money. You think people aren't gonna buy from Amazon? Are you not searching on Google? Are you not investing in think about it. Are you not buying from Amazon because of this? Like, is cloud software like not being used by large companies? Like, is CRM, like, It's not going to affect it one bit. You know, this is a nothing thing on the radar. This is a thing that hedge funds and big funds make a lot of money on because retail sells out and then they look at this fucking move, guys. Look at this fucking move. Move my stop up, baby. Let it run. Let it run. I am not in Florida, Yos. Oh, it could be a bull trap. Either way, I'm out. Either way, I got my money. 145, 170 bucks, 100 there. You sound like a Long Island kind of guy. I've said I live on Long Island a bunch of times in here. Richie. Yeah. That's exactly where I live. Please don't come to my house. We're not hanging out. I barely have enough time to see my own friends. I'm running around doing kid shit all week. Where don't just show up at my house to hang out. We'll hang out. We'll do a meetup in Vegas or something. We can hang out there. But if you randomly just show up at my house, we're not hanging out. Fucking. Yo, you'd be surprised about the messages I get. So that's why I have to say stuff like that. I know you think it's funny, but you got to see the messages I get. Dudes wanting to hang out, like, yo, I know where you live. Yo, we should do this. I'm like, bro, I haven't seen one of my best friends in like 9 months. I like you guys, but if I haven't seen my own best friends in a while, I'm running around coaching 2 sports, playing sports, working. Yo, listen, I'd love to hang out if we were like doing a meetup or something, but if you just show up at my house, we're not hanging out. We're definitely like, I don't have time on a random Tuesday to just be like, yo, let's go hang out. Like, I got to plan shit like over a month in advance. Yo, we cannot chill on Chatterbait tonight. Yo, have you seen those Omingle reels of Kermit the Frog? Dude, the Kermit the Frog Omingle I think that's how you say it. Omingle? Is that how you say it? When the guy pretends to be Kermit the Frog and he just starts talking to freaking girls and then he brings up a fucking big ass green cucumber. Tell me you've seen that shit. Bro, I die laughing. Bro, I die laughing at Kermit the Frog on Omingle, bro. Whoever decided to come up with that shit was funny. Yo, liable to get mollywopped if you pull up the Cove's house. Yeah, that is true. What? Defense Ministry headquarters in Tel Aviv struck by Iranian missile. I like the updates, Jay. I appreciate it. Showing his bro. What? Dell, you know somebody over there? Was it the same guy that got the plug pulled at Amazon? Yo, dude, you'd be surprised at some of the Nathan White. These idiots can't be fighting after market closes. Yo, I'd rather them do it now so you can trade it. Come on, market. Yeah, they've been fighting for forever, ever, on and off. You would think one side would have won by now and just took over the other side, but hasn't happened. PG, where are you located? Are you in Israel? I know some. Oh, you're in Paris. Yeah, it's going to get. Definitely could get crazy. I'm just looking. Man, I am just looking at stuff. I'm just putting orders in so in case it gets fucking bad, I get out of my positions. Don't want to be holding shit until don't want to be holding shit over the weekend. I'm reducing my size over the weekend on some shit. One of my boys said the wildest thing I ever heard in my life. Oh, jeez. What up, Vicious? I think we're gonna push up here. I was waiting to. I'm gonna take a little bit, just a little bit. See if it holds. If we get up to like 56, 57, I'm moving my stop up. That I'll tell you. I'm definitely moving my stop up to break even. If this could pop here a little bit more, like if this pops at 34, yeah, I'm at break even right now. Dude, I'm taking that. It's fucking $100 and something. I'm in. I took that. I took it. Dude, what is going on? I gotta fucking readjust this. There we go. I had to readjust. Readjust. Boom. Boom. There we go. I'm all set now. Oh, man. Today is a pretty good day. At least we're getting movement. You guys remember what Monday and Tuesday looked like? Bro, Monday and Tuesday, the market went fucking nowhere. Yo, Sean, you're just, yo. Yo, we went, what up, Ali? We went nowhere on Monday and Tuesday, and then all of a sudden we just, yo, super garbage. I feel like today's been the best day out of all of them. I mean, I don't know. To me, the price action has been the best today out of all the days. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. By the way, this ends this week, by the way. Just throwing it out there. 25% off. Dude, 25% off is one of the biggest deals that they've ran. Also, they have no activation fee. So, not telling you to get it. I'm just telling you that if you trade my funded futures, 25% off is legit. Today's been pretty wild, Sam. Dell, why don't you fire up that other one, man? Dude, what the fuck did Trump just say, dude? Yo, check this out. Trump to the Wall Street Journal. Attack would be great for the market because Iran will not have a nuclear weapon. Jeez. Somebody wrote, he forgot to add trade deals going well. Many deals coming. Nah, DBT, anybody. It's 25% off evals and resets. The only account it doesn't work for is the starter account. Other than the starter account, you can use it for starter plus. You can use it for whatever. But you can buy it. You can get a starter plus for 25% off. Or any of the other accounts. But yeah, 25% off. If you've never had one, it's 50% off. But yeah. Bro, they ain't talking no trade deals now. Trade deals? You talking playoffs? Playoffs? Yo, that's what trade deals are. Trade deals? Trade deals? You talking trade deals? Ain't nobody talking trade deals up in here. You need 300 to pass? What's fruit juice? Vince, what's fruit juice? Or are you talking about financial juice? Market. Yeah, Kaba. Oh, wow. Nuclear facility in Dimona, Israel has been hit by an Iranian strike. Ooh. U.S. forces are participating in defeating the Iranian attack on Israel. Multiple explosions heard in Jerusalem. Dude, this is crazy. Bro, fruit juice is fucking his. I love that name. Arnold, up or down? I don't know, man. I would assume. Yeah, Arnold, you're going to see right now if the NASDAQ gives a shit. I almost feel like I have to put an account rubber on over the weekend. You know, just some protection on my fucking stock portfolio. I don't want to wake up on Monday and it's burning when I pee. I'm actually going to do that right now. Yeah. I'm doing that shit right now. I don't want to wake up. I don't want to wake up to a massive fucking problem. Well, I just protected my fucking account a little bit. Oh, I think we're gonna go lower, personally. Yo, what up, Mama Tick? There's a bunch of explosions going on in Israel. Iran is attacking, and I don't know. They're just fucking going. You know, this one's doing that. This one's doing that. I think over the weekend you're gonna see some wild shenanigans. Oh, it's a huge mess. Huge mess. I guess it all started because they thought they were a month away from, or a couple months away from a nuclear weapon. So they decided to bomb them. I don't know. Yeah, it looks like lower. It definitely looks like lower, Garcher. I would agree on lower. I would definitely. I mean, I don't see a positive out of this. I would think by the end of the day, people are trying to sell out of positions or put on some protection. So I would assume uh, you would get a dip here end of day. Dude, it's so fucking cold in my office. What up, Jim? See, it can't close above the basically that line. So I don't know. Maybe we could sell off pretty hard here. Sell off pretty hard into the close. I mean, if this really gets going here, it would be a pretty solid move. I couldn't even fucking move my thing. Are you fucking kidding me? I went to add 3. Whatever. I went to add 3. And the thing happened so fast. I couldn't I added it, got out instantly. I just don't see it. Like, I don't see anything positive about this. Not that it really affects companies, but you would think that the near-term dip would just be people scared and selling. I think you're going to see, if the market really cares, end the day today and on Monday. If by Monday we're not down like 3%, I don't think they care anymore. Yeah, I think CT got it. Baba. Dude, I just got... Oh, they're talking about the Indian flight thing. What happened? They're thinking that the co-pilot adjusted the flaps instead of the landing gear by mistake. It's crazy. How does those huge gaps are created over the weekend if the markets are closed? Is it a massive same side orders first second of the open? No, Marco. What causes it? I don't actually know what actually causes the gaps in the market. The only thing I could think about is I don't really know, because there's no actual selling unless they're selling. There's like dark pools. There's other exchanges that aren't on the main exchange. Like, I don't know if you guys know, but like major transactions take place outside of the stock market. Like, they don't hit the tape. They're called dark pools. And I don't know if that's where the exchange happens over the weekend that, you know, Mayday, no thrust, losing power. Oh, okay. Listen, I don't know. I have no idea. I was just reading it. Somebody's able to trade over the weekend. I'm pretty sure that institutions can trade even that like 5 to 6 o'clock time. Uh-oh. Dude, you're hearing that the plane had issues? Yeah, I don't know. Listen, I'm no fucking pilot, but I love all the aviation experts that come out on fucking Twitter. And now you're getting all the war experts coming out on Twitter. It's crazy. I didn't know so many people were experts on Twitter. It's crazy. Every furu is an expert on the next big thing. It's crazy. I say we bring this shit all the way up. Yeah, I think it was a Boeing plane. Aren't they all pretty much Boeing planes? Like, who's making planes that aren't Boeing that for commercial use? What other airline? What other company makes airplanes like Boeing? I'm not talking about private planes. I'm talking like the big boys. Is there even another company? Oh, Airbus. Interesting. I actually thought Boeing owned Airbus, to be honest with you. I thought that was like their large planes. I didn't know that it was a separate company. Oh, it's in Europe? Too patient. I will say Airbus just sounds more like a better airplane than Boeing. I just know like a lot of these companies are owned by bigger companies. So that's why I thought Airbus was owned by Boeing. Bus a bus? Buster Rhymes. Yeah. Fly by wire? What? What is that? Russia makes nice planes. I'm probably not getting on a Russia plane personally. I don't know how much oversight they got over there. I feel like that I don't want to fly on Frontier. I don't know what's going. Frontier Airlines is brutal. Not flying on Malaysia Air. I got some airlines I'm not flying on. Oh, come on, market. The market just fucking died. The market was good all day and it just died. Bro, Spirit? Fuck those guys. Not flying that shit. When I was younger, I was like 16. We were going to Myrtle. We were coming back from Myrtle Beach. And my dad booked us on some like Spirit Airlines shit. And on our way to the airport, they filed bankruptcy and the flights were canceled. Malaysia Air has all new planes. Dude, ever since that one went missing, I'm not on that. I want to know where that other plane is. The one that went missing? Where are those guys? They're on like the Lost Island or something. Have I ever flown in a small plane? I've actually flown private once. I've flown on a private plane once, and I've flown the smallest plane outside of a private plane had like 2 seats and then 1 seat. Yeah. Yeah. I've been on a propeller plane before. Boeing. 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 Fly by wire is the electronic flight control system. Oh. Yeah, I don't know anything about that stuff. Anybody doing anything fun this weekend? What do you guys got going on this weekend? How to gift points? Sean, who do you use? Do you use Wheels Up? Are you a Wheels Up guy? My neighbor uses Wheels Up all the time. They were told to leave shelters. Dude, I think the whole weekend's going to be crazy over there. I think you're going to get some wild news over the weekend, personally. Oh, I've done the second round. I've done the second round on a regular airplane. We went down and we were like, so I think we were like 100 yards away from hitting the runway, and the guy just fucking gassed it back up. Gassed it back up. I felt like I was in the fucking Top Gun movie. All of a sudden, we were coming down for the landing, and all of a sudden, I was just like fucking back. Yo, Dean Liu, College World Series is the best baseball you're going to watch. So much better than Major League. No, Dell. What's that? Amafly? What is that? I don't even know what that is, Sean. Amalfi, how much to go to Vegas from New York? Yo, what up, Kama? Oh, man. Oh, geez. Fucking sneezing all day. Oh, Trading Texas, what up? Victor's in here. Elmi. What's cracking, guys? You guys doing well today? You smashing? What up, Larry? Yo, I know there's that Facebook group that you could buy empty legs for rides. What up, Pop and Drops? Pop and Drops. Carl Torres is in here. What up, Brian? Is this going to be the dump? Is this finally going to be the dump? You're at the office / prison, Emil? Shit, hanking today. Nice. Come on, just fucking flush it, dude. One fucking time. One time, just unleash it. Unleash it. Just unleash it to the downside. No, they're not. Market's being a little bitch. No, Jesus. Fuck that, man. I've been trying to get these accounts up. A Kevin Durant trade could happen in the next few days with the Heat and Timberwolves. Yo, the way I said what, Dell? Day 2 pulling 2K from Take Profit Trader. Yo, that's why I like Take Profit Trader the best. Daily payouts. Yeah. You can't really beat daily payouts. No rules except for the one news rule, and it's not all news. The market's being a little bitch. Yeah. Oh man. What up, Double O? Need this thing to freaking drop. I just want some movement here. But I think I think we're gonna drop end of day. That's why I'm so like. I might take the next little pop and hold for the high of this whatever 80. I just don't see how it doesn't drop end of day with everything that's going on. I could be completely wrong. Yeah, same here. Take Profit Trader, my funded futures has been. Topstep TV is off air. Why are they off air? Look at that shit. Why are they off the air? Well, forget them. Come hang out over here where you can have some fun. And the house account's not down every day. Boom. But yeah. Yeah. Sorry. We have winners over here. Third wave of missiles on the way from who? Israel or Iran? Boom, 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 boom. Psh, boom, 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 boom. Iran to Israel. I feel like if they're telling us about it, like they already know and they're gonna shoot it down. You know, like if they're telling you about it, I feel like they're gonna shoot it down. It just feels that way. Right? Or is it just me? So seeing someone saying that they had radiation leaking, where in Israel or nah, they were saying that they were ready for retaliation. Who has radiation leaking? Iran has radiation. That's not good. That's no bueno. Hold on one second. I'm in this trade. My kids are at home. I got to open the door. Got to open the door. Hold on. I'll be right back. Oh, I'm going to get water too. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Woo! Buying opportunity. I ate Taco Bell last night. What? Yo, how good was Taco Bell? I haven't had that in ages. I would assume we're going to hit at least 619 here. Buying opportunity? Yo, flip. Radiation leaked today. What, in Iran? Come on, keep dropping it. Keep dropping it. Drop it like it's hot. Oh, you're talking about this wick? I don't know if it's going to go down there on this push. We're kind of sold pretty low on stochastics. I wouldn't be surprised to see a little bouncy do first, and then we go down. Taco Bell last night, radiation leak today. Bro, what's the good thing at Taco Bell now? I haven't had Taco Bell in I haven't had Taco Bell in like 5 years. What's the good shit at Taco Bell? The grilled cheese burrito? Bro, a grilled cheese burrito? When I used to go there, Mexi Melts were my shit. Mexi Melts and like a ranch, cheesy ranch gordita crunch, maybe? Soft, just the regular soft tacos? Boom. Boom. Dropping it? Dude, I'm telling you, man, I don't think this is done coming down. Oh. Nothing. Everything went downhill after COVID. I don't know what. Am I playing MOC? I don't know. Trent Strickland. I worked there for a hot minute, and most things on the value menu fire. What up, Trent? Welcome to the stream, man. Welcome. I used to eat Taco Bell all the fucking time. I want to say like at least once every 2 weeks I had Taco Bell. That was when they had the Crunch Wrap Supremes. Dude, I don't know if I'm playing MOC. Should I play MOC? I'm probably not going to play. What up, Ripper Trader? What's up, man? How's your day going? Maybe I'll play MOC. I assume it's gonna move. I assume it's gonna move. I'll play it in a Bulenox account. Pretty good? Nice. Oh. I think we're going to end the day on a dump, personally. I would just assume that people are getting out of their positions, not into their positions. Just weird. Like, who would be like, oh, I have to buy right here. I have to buy right before, this whole shit that's going on over the weekend. Market on close. The MOC won't let me be or let me be me. Yeah. MOC. Market on close orders. It's all the orders that basically come in and real quick by institutions. Market on close. Come on. It's kind of positioning for low, right here. Come over and push it down to like 500. I kind of want to take a little something right here. This is a small position. I have a wedding this Saturday that I am obligated to attend. It's the third cousin of my wife's sister's aunt. What the fuck? Dude, I don't even know who that is. If you're single, hopefully there's a bunch of single hot girls there. Go have some fun. Dude, that was actually a pretty good trade. Go get some bridesmaids. Yeah. Dude, I love destination weddings, man. Destination weddings are fun. I just went on 2 destination weddings. One was in Mexico and one was in Colombia. Dude, destination weddings, super fun. Yeah, it sounds like they're about to open up a prop firm that's not going to pay you. You're married 38 years? It's a long time, man. Well, maybe your wife will give you a hall pass for the wedding. Maybe she'll let you bring back a third. Like, babe, how about we bring back a third? Let me know how it goes. Hey, man, if you don't throw it out, you'll never know. It never hurt trying. Yo, ask. Be like, yo, Cove wanted me to ask you something. And if it works out, you can thank me on Monday. Could be like, bro, I just had the best weekend of my life. I don't know what blew. Oh, this account blew. I got drawdowned. The drawdown got me. Oh. Tell the guests about the drift trade. Tell them. Yo, just one? You've been married for 38 years. Sacrifice one. It's for the better. It's for the long term. Oh man, they just ripped this thing. I didn't see this coming. They just fucking ripped it. Yeah, I mean, completely pumped it. Look at it. I mean, this gets over 700. I mean, they might take this to the fucking moon. It's that or they're just squeezing out whoever's short here end of day. Wu-Tang, baby. Wu-Tang forever. Wu-Tang. Wu-Tang. Dude, it's freaking... That's the only thing I could think of. Squeezing some shorts here. Lots of buys, pre-MOC. I'm watching. I'm breathing and relaxing here. I mean, maybe they push it. I don't know who's like, I need to buy 20 minutes before the market closes when fucking war's breaking out. But I mean, people do what they got to do. Do couples give out hall passes these days? I don't know. Maybe. Good old hall pass. Brighten your weekend up on a destination weekend. Ask for one. There's 102 people watching. I bet you if 102 people ask for a hall pass, somebody in here will get one. Just doing the math. The fact that it held this is interesting. They're trying for a diplomatic ending, David. Why is that? Is that what they're telling you? Is that what they're telling you? Oh, it says we were in a diplomatic process on nuclear talks with the U.S. The Israel attack derailed the path of diplomacy. Yeah, fuck that. It's gonna get crazy. Iran fired missiles at Israel from a submarine. Wow, check this out. There's no indication of an attack on underground enrichment halls, but the attack on the power supply may have damaged their centrifuges. There is radiological and chemical contamination inside facilities. The contamination is manageable with appropriate measures. Yeah, the above ground plant where Iran was producing uranium enriched up to 60% has been destroyed. Dude, that's crazy. Yeah, I'll tell you what, there's two things you could do right now. Oil is either going to be up a lot or down a lot come Monday. If you were a risky person, that's what you could do. Oil's going to be up a lot or down a lot come Monday. That I will tell you. Boom. I'm waiting for the big move here. Dillis, welcome to the stream, brother. I just blew my PA account. How do I deal with blown accounts psychologically? Is that the first time you blew one? The U.S. has been trying to go to war with Iran for years, citing all the same reasons. Yeah. They're going to tell you there's weapons of mass destruction, and then you'll find out there are none. When you blow, is that your first blown account? You think you're going to 710? I'll be honest with you. If you're trading, it's best to have no emotions no matter what. I'm at a point that nothing really phases, and you trade better that way. Yeah. The reason you use a prop firm is to keep the losses small. So like Design Knob said, you only lost the eval and the activation cost. Outside of that, you're just on to the next. You just gotta chill out. And here you go. I'll make you feel a little bit better. I'm rocking down 4,300 right now today. You got to look at the big picture. You can't look at one day. I mean, you took out a payout yesterday, so that payout more than covered the account. You can't look at one day. In the markets, you never look at, today was this. Like, you have to say, hey, this week or this month. Like, I look at my P&Ls for the more monthly, because there's too many ups and downs in a single day. So you got to look at the month and just say, hey, am I up this month or am I down this month? Or in last 2 weeks, am I up or am I down? You can't be looking at days. Yeah, you just got a payout, man. That payout more than covered your account. But yeah, you got to just say, hey, I only lost my eval money. And if you're using Take Profit Trader, there was no activation fee. Yeah, I do. Patient Trader, I've been doing this for a long time. If you have emotions about trades, it's only going to be negative because you're going to have the high of the highs and the low of the lows. Dude, I just want to fucking hold this till the end of the day, to be honest with you. I really do feel like the dump is just going to come. Oh, shit. Bro, I just realized, look at that. I just made $500 in a PA account. I was in I thought I was in 5 micros. I was in 5 minis. Holy shit. Bro, that's crazy. I was just in 10 minis. I just made $500. These were being copy traded both times. I just made $500. Holy shit. Yo. What, Maria? Yo. That's crazy. I was in 10. I was just in 10 minis. Yo, send in a video to Darrell now. Oh, that was a mistake. I meant to buy 5 micros. I was wondering why it didn't copy trade too, because the copy trader set on micros. Bro, it could have blown the account. You could have definitely blown the account, especially that we just bounced. I would have blown the account. Dude, that's nuts. Oh, I would have been so mad. That would have ruined my day. I hate when I mess up like on something stupid like that. Like that would have just been like a stupid mistake. I'm okay losing. I can't lose if it's just stupid. Like, dude, it's got to bounce like here, but I have a feeling we're going to dump. It feels dumpy. Feels dumpy McDumperson. Yo, congrats on dumb luck. Josh, it was definitely dumb luck. Without a doubt. I got lucky. Sometimes it's better to be lucky than good. Looking real sus. Super. Any payouts this week? I don't know. I'm right there here. Maybe I did on Monday. I don't know. I'm $300 away from a max payout here. I don't know if I did. If I did, it was like Monday or Tuesday. I didn't take one out yesterday, and I'm not going to take one out today. I'm getting close on a bunch of accounts, though. I just keep building them up daily. This one is about halfway there. I'm starting to build some of these other ones up. $500 in a PA account. Dude, I have nothing to take it with. I have nothing to take it with. Yeah. Actually, you know what? Bro, that sucked too. Dude, that didn't even break yet. Look at that. It didn't even break. It's still inside. Nobody got triggered. It's still inside the previous candle. Wow. Dude, I never would have thought that. Look, you still haven't broken. Actually, I might play the break now. How's that sound? Dude, I don't even know when the last time this happened. We're literally stuck. Oh, it finally broke. It finally broke. It barely broke. I got wicked. Whatever. It was a calculated risk. What's weird is I didn't get filled in Quant Tower. Why did I not get filled in Quant Tower? I'm filled in Quant Tower now. Is this the dump? I'm one short right now in Quant Tower. I'm transparent about it. So yeah, I just want to tell you, I'm one short in Quant Tower. My stop is 651. I basically just made back what I just lost. And I just closed my one mini in Quant Tower just to be transparent about it. Yeah. Yo, have a great weekend, Jay. Yo, MOC, you wouldn't have gotten filled, Dell. You wouldn't have gotten filled. I've never seen. I mean, it was taking a while to go, but I think we're gonna drop here. It's looking fucking dumpy. I'm back. I'm just risking it for the biscuit. Don't ask. Don't ask. This is risky as shit. This is super risky. I'm looking for a flush, and if we don't get it, I'm gonna get fucked. But I won't respect myself in the morning. I just think if it starts to dump end of day, you're going to get a lot of people just following the dump. How's that sound? I think if you start to really dump, you're going to get a lot of sellers. That's just my opinion because people are going to start to see it sell off, and then people are going to follow suit and sell, and you got this whole consolidation, and they're going to just drop it. I will bring my stop loss down, though. If we get to like 603, I will go to break even on everything. Well, that just fucking took me out, so I don't have to worry about it. The spreads are wild. What are the what is it, like a point and a half, Dell? Knob? How big are the spreads? Dude, oh, Raymond, you went long? Hey, man, I hope you made money. It's super sus. I'm waiting for some big ass algo candle to just fucking just push us down a lot. I gotta just do it. Whatever fucking happens. It's just what my gut tells me. My gut tells me we're gonna sell off here. It's just fucking is what it is. I'm probably gonna be completely wrong. Maybe it's just too obvious. You know, maybe it's just too obvious, or they're gonna wait till the market's closed to sell off. You know, maybe everyone's looking for this sell off and they rip it on everybody. You know, I don't fucking know. It's super. It's just probably a bunch of algos trading back and forth at this point. I was just not assuming, but I was kind of looking for like a massive just dump out, like Trump tweets something and we just go down like fucking, 50 points is what I was looking for. That 50-point flush dump is what I'm looking for. And maybe we're not getting that. You know? Yeah. I was just out in the Hamptons. It's fucking cold out there still, Knob. I was just out there last weekend. It was fucking cold. You're not swimming. I think it's probably another week or two, another 2 more weeks until it really starts warming up. Bro, I need a fucking fuck everybody tweet right now, and I want to see it just dump fucking 80 points. Yeah, it's supposed to rain here on Saturday. Anyone drifting? And I might play the drift play. Dude, I don't even think this market knows what it wants to do. Yo, the market's going to close and it's going to dump. Watch. 40 seconds and we're going to dump. Holy shit. They're yanking it. Look at that shit. I didn't see that coming. With everything that's going on, I thought that'd be the last thing to fucking happen. Yo, if you drifted, you made money, by the way. Anybody play the drift? You got in at 57. Dude, you would have got 10 points off the drift. Anyone play that? They're not doing it. Anyone play the what up, Marco Polo? Yes, made 1,000 on paper. Yo, the drift play worked. What the fuck? Dude, am I stuck in this fucking position? Yo, why can't I sell out? Is this it? There we go. There we go. I'm just clearing out my shit. Yo, what up, Steve? Yo, the true degen trading hour. I'm out on this. This is Friday at 4:03. Yeah, a summer Friday. Yo, popping drops. You got that 1,500 on that push. Nice. What up, F1? Dude, I can't believe they didn't push this down in the day. They held it right the fuck there and then pushed it. Izzle Sizzle. What's up, Izzle Sizzle? I assume you're new to the chat. What's going on? Oh, man. I don't know what's going to happen over the weekend, though. Komodo Dragon. What the? Wait, king of what? Komodo Dragon, king of YOLO trading. Can price move 200 points this time? I don't know. Komodo Dragon, king of YOLO trading. What's up, man? Welcome to the chat. Welcome. You trades 90. What up? What's up, D-Ba? Oh, dude, that's right. Father's Day is this weekend. I forgot about that. Father's Day is this weekend. All the dads, have a great Father's Day. I don't know what you guys are doing. I'm going golfing with my dad tomorrow. And then I'm doing a barbecue on Sunday. That's what I got going on. Golfing tomorrow, even though it's supposed to rain. And then barbecue on Sunday. Yeah. Yeah, it's going to be I'm going to run the duck race at 4:10 today cuz I got to get coaching. So I'm going to get 5 minutes. Now's a good time for people to start asking questions. If you have any, now's the time to ask. If you got questions about prop firms, trading, strategies, the link to our Discord is in the description of this video. If you got prop firm questions, that might help you out about withdrawal information. If you ever traded my funded futures, it's 25% off. It ends this week. It's probably one of their better deals that they've ran. So if you want, get it before it expires on Friday. Not Friday. Expires on Sunday. So it's for resets or evals. Just letting you know. And if you've never traded, then they're giving you 50% off. But 25% off resets and evals. Just not on starters. Maria, I'll see you on Monday. But yeah, my funded futures deal is pretty legit. I'm gonna start setting this up. Your Discord is paused. My Discord is not paused. Why would it be? What? Yo, I fixed it. What happened? Yo, it's not paused anymore. Dude, I've never seen that before. Here's the link if you want to get in. You should be able to get in right now. Yeah, Eek. I've never seen that before in my life. I didn't do that. Yeah, why? I don't understand why that happens. Eek, you made it over here. Yeah, security action. I don't know what happened. Yo, it just happened again. Why does it keep happening? Oh, why do you keep doing that? Why do you keep doing it? Yeah, well, why are you doing it on DMs? What's the issue? Dude, what, somebody DMing everybody in Discord? Yeah, I don't know. All right, I'm gonna set this up right now. By the way, if you're new here, you gotta subscribe to be added to the duck race. Just subscribe below and then hit that little yellow bell button to get notified when we go live. We stream live every day, 10:30 to noon, 2 p.m. to 4:30. If you want to support the stream, use coupon code COVETRADER below. That's what allows me to do these giveaways. So if you like giveaways, use the code. Maybe we'll get to 2 accounts a day or 3 accounts a day, and we'll just give away a lot more. All right. This is for whoever was on the morning stream. Boom. Oh, man. Eek, where's the link to the ducks? During the day, during market hours, we open it up, and you just have to do !Cove Trader like this, and it automatically adds you. I don't add you. Sovereignty, are you here? You got 2 minutes to claim it. It's 4:12. 4:12. Are you here? Okay, I got you. All right, we're gonna run everybody that is on the afternoon stream now. But Eek, you got to put the code in, and you got to be subscribed to the channel. If you're not subscribed, you can't win the duck race. That's how it works. Oh, man. Yo, today was pretty good, man. I don't know about you guys, but I felt like today was pretty good. Just seeing what's going on, if there's any more news. Vicious. Is Vicious? It's 4:13. Is Vicious in here? Tell me if Vicious is in here. Yo. Roll it. All right, you guys are going to. Yo, happy Father's Day to everybody in the chat. If you're a dad, enjoy your weekend. Enjoy your weekend, and I got something special going on next week. So we'll see what happens. Vicious. Damn, they're pushing it higher. Yo, have a great weekend of cash. Oh, man. Yo, you're late, Corey. Sovereignty. Monica! Yeah, I ran it early. It's Friday. I got to go coach girls softball. I got girls softball to coach. Yeah, we got stuff going on. So, later, Sean. But I think overall it was a good day. Overall, it was a good day. Oh man, tired. Later, DBT. Walter, I'm gonna check my email right now. Oh. What up, Doug? Yeah, let's see what happens. Boom, boom, boom. Anybody got questions about anything? Strategies, firms, life, some life. You just shorted it, Doug? May the odds forever be in your favor. What should I info brand lunar agency? What should I trade on my account is $10. What should I trade on my account? I don't really know what you mean. I probably wouldn't trade anything to the rest of the day. What's the magic strategy that only wins? Oh man, I don't know, man. Honestly, you should backtest a lot of things. I have some really good backtest videos on. I got some really good backtest videos. You should probably take a look at that. There's some real good stuff on there. You type in like win, and it'll come up with a bunch of win rate videos. Yo, later, Flip. I opened an account so far, and you only have $10 on it. I don't know if you only have $10 in the account. I don't know if you could trade anything. Maybe one micro. I think you need $100 in the account. Yeah, you're gonna need more than $10 in the account to trade it. To be honest, yeah, yeah, $10 is not going to allow you to trade. Yeah. Oh man, I am exhausted. But I would say I think you need $100 to trade micros. I think that's what it is, $100 to trade micros. Oh. Yeah, oh, 50. Yeah, yeah. if I have a course, I would. Here you go. I got something for you. It's free. I actually have a free course, free futures trading course. Here you go. Go there. You can download it. You just click the link. Just click on it. Yeah, super easy. You just click on it and you can get it. It's free. I don't charge for anything. So I don't charge for anything. So that it's free. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if you got questions, and I'll be able to help you out. Oh, man. Just handling some of these emails. If you put that short on, you're making money. Oh. Oh. All right. I'm going to call it. If you got questions, come in the Discord. What's the best code? Cove Trader's the best code, obviously. If you got any questions, ask over the weekend in the Discord. I get back to everybody. That's what this is here for. It's to help everybody out. So if you got questions, ask. I'll find out the answer if I don't know it. Is there a setting up? Wait, Carl, this is setting up for Sunday to take out the double bottom. I think we're going to end up going lower, Carl. Yeah. All right. Enjoy your weekend. Have some fun. And I will be in the Discord over the weekend, or you catch me on Monday on the live stream. Be sure to subscribe. If you want to support the stream, use coupon code COVETRADER. It works at all the prop firms. Other than that, I'll see you Monday. Peace.